Let's make it sexier. So dashboard, say this one is H1. Okay. And then there is this problem that there's a big gap here, and this is because the body has all this crap from the default Vite SCSS in here, so we can get rid of this part. Let's comment it out and then reload it better. Fantastic. I should have spotted before, maybe. Then maybe this bar at the bottom. You guys can see it. It's because we have a gap or padding the dashboard container. So that fixes it. Let's go and grab the dashboard container. And let's make those designers happy, which is us in this case. Let's remove the padding and boom, it's a little bit better. Fantastic. It's loading. Boom, should be there. Wonderful. Let's check the responsiveness. Awesome. We got some sort of responsive behavior. Wonderful. Let's clean the console logs. I will do a search in VS Code. Let's clean this one and also that one. I want to keep everything clean and tidy. Next little thing would be to change the color of the outer ring, because in this case it's yellow, and if the inside it's yellow as well, it's really not visible. So let's add something like purple, for example, or something very different from the inner colors. So we had the ring node CSS, ring node border. Let's grab it with this. Could be like a purplish thing. See how it looks. Terrible. It's not the super duper focus, but still it's maybe pinkish. Yeah, that's okay. The important is that it's quite different from what could be inside. So this works. Good. Fantastic. A few more updates, I'd say. First, we could make the ring responsive, because as you see, when I go to this size, the ring doesn't resize accordingly. This would be an easy fix. We need to remove the hard-coded width and height like that, and now we can see that it's resizing, right? So way better. Probably I was thinking also of changing this caption here, list of devices, but we should probably say list of devices and then add the name with the Wi-Fi here, like next to it, or we can pull it by a context. So let's do it. So here in the dashboard, I'm gonna use the context, and then bring in the node context. Actually, the node context, and then from here we would pull let's grab it. We would pull the selected node. It's going to be const selected node highest. Let's bring this a little bit up the hierarchy. There are automated ways to resort the imports. So for now, let's just say list of devices, and then let's check if selected node is there. Then we would print selected node dot the SSID, and probably off this device is off Wi-Fi, something like that. of Wi-Fi and then the name, string interpolation, my favorite. Otherwise, nothing. Look at that. So that one is changing. As you can see, I'm switching the nodes and then I go here. Perfect. There's a tiny improvement, but space here. It's good. So that's what we wanted to do here. And also now let's think about any other little changes before proceeding. Probably we want to center this dashboard, or I say the major thing is we should try to use the space better so that the whole template here span also the whole width. So that's the other thing. Or let's say that this part, this column is taking up 50% of the space, while in reality we should enlarge it a little more. So let's do it. So now to use better the space in the dashboard CSS, we can tweak the grid templates column. Let's use, so 1 means 50%, but we can reshare the percentage like 7.3, or maybe, yeah, 7.3 means 70% here and 30% there. This is not bad, I say. And then it switches to the mobile view. So good, make it better a little bit. Dashboard could be centered, of course. So let's add an additional div like title. And then here, it's outside the container, so we can put it here. Dot title, not a great name to be honest. Text align center. Good. Let's make it uppercase. There used to be a shortcut that I forgot, so let's just paste it there. Dashboard, nice, cool, fantastic. So we're done with the visual. We don't want to spend too much time in it, but still we want to have some kind of decent user look and feel.